bucket.
My diamond.
Look at bucket for shit in
No, you're not sitting on no bucket. You're a star. Look at clock there. Yeah.
Alright, good day, chat. As you know, I am Cuz and my baby mama has lost her sight due to her pregnancy. So we need 100,000 to fix her sight. Come right here, baby, and look for it. So yes guys, we need this money. Yes.
Our party, we not invite them. Bustle up the car and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Blabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
We need this money to get our eye in contact, chat.
Alright. Zouma. Come here. Come to the forefront. Let me talk to you about something. Come here and say something on Jeffrey program. And that's a totally red flag, my youth. That is so disgusting, brother. For a man, a young man, that me think have better sense or some morals of standard in you as a person, you've gone too far. Why would you come on social media, come speak in the manner of which you speak? Talks about, yo, you see your mother. You see your mother. Or you hear your mother. See? You hear your mother have sex. And you peep in the room and see your mother. I take some cane, or wood, or board, or plank, or whatever fuck it is. And you take out your John. And I back your fist. And I say, when I your time. What kind of sick fuck is that, bro? You don't have no moral, bro. And then you talk and I laugh about it and face a boy, yo, it's something to laugh about. It's nothing to laugh about or even talk about, fam. How many know say you really fucked up in a yasa? It's because you were old enough. Yes, you were a juvenile, but you were old enough to understand what is wrong from right. And you tell me, say, your imagination is to really and truly have sex with your mother? That's a totally red flag, my youth. You don't have nothing about you. You have nothing about you. Imagine that. You need to renew your mind, youth. You need to renew your mindset. It is fucked up. And you know what was the funny thing about everything? Jeffrey was surprised of what come out of this man's mouth. He was surprised as fuck and couldn't believe it. It's like a ton of brick drop on him head. Because he wasn't expecting it. He wasn't expecting that. You need help, youth. You need fucking help. And that's not no joke thing. You need help. Something is definitely wrong with up yourself. And nobody at all can tell me anything different. Because if a person gonna come, you will fuck all goat. You will fuck animals. Because that is disgusting. Remember me tell you.
Khago begged Zuma please to leave him alone.
You know, that a code, you know. I one thing my grandmother tell me, say, you can't come out wrong and strong. Zuma, me never call your name. You understand? We just throw one rock stone in a bird pen. And the bird will knock at them pick it up. So he knock a jankra. What is a Zuma? Zuma hide between the keyhole and zoom in a mama belly. And that you do, you know, Zuma. And watch the man body peg, muscle up and a tab out your mama belly. and you get Annie. You fucking Annie, son, you ram goat, Billy Zoom. Eh? Billy. Nobody don't trust their son around you much less their daughter, Zuma. Cause you will zoom in. Yes. You will zoom in. That is a Zuma. Out of all the name we spot you could have picked. You could have even say your name Pretty Dan and war with Pretty Dan because I don't know which one I want. When Pretty Dan put on our girl suit, you and her look match like we're not the same person. You understand? I don't know why your problem. Me never call your name bad boss. Me just say the man we peep. Me not even did say we zoom. But now me I go say the man we zoom in. Like a Canon blood clot lens. Sharp. And zoom in pan him mama pussy jaw. And can count to hear them. And watch side man a tab out your mama belly pussy hole and you don't tell your daddy. Because I know first you do it. And if Zouma mother hear this, just tell your son, say, leave Khago alone. Because if Khago can't win the battle, Khago I go mashy. Zouma, me I go talk like me know you in a real life. Because me I go name you after your name. You say me want a hit song. And me I tell you, say, Zouma, what you have, what you accurate, you say you're a comedian. And me I say, Zouma, you is a big bird. Because as a fish, me know she bad get him show and soul out. Me never see you nowhere yet. And Zouma, if TikTok shut down a morning, I hit that for you. Because you don't have no other skill. Zouma, you had this big old blood clot donkey jawbone. Me curse all the woman who sleep with you and breathe for you to pussy hole. The woman will sleep and breathe for you. Me can tell you, say, just because she love God, make she don't kill a blood clot picking it. Look at you. You ever hold up a mirror and look at your blood clot cells. Look at yourself. Brother, you have an ass jawbone. Just look at one donkey, a horse, or a mule, at the jawbone that you have. Any woman will kiss all, you can just open her mouth to pussy hole and go down to a hospital and make them flush every toilet in a that. So my baby mother, me just sorry, but listen to me. When me a war, everybody get it, because me never trouble your shit mouth, man. True, me tell him, say I'm a bird. And me talk the truth, because you know how Jamaican people love stay. They love beat round the bush. They know, say, the man the boy want to fuck off. No want to fuck off the man, the boy want the man tab out in ribs. The boy want the man put so uppercut up in him belly bottom within 12-inch hood. So uppercut knock him, boop Mike Tyson, knock him, boop Holyfield. Then he get the 3-piece combo, pop, 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 pop. Fly it me away there. Zouma, let me tell you something. Leave me alone. Please, me I beg you, Zouma. Me I tell you. Ask anybody about. But me used to listen to you. Just keep it as I used to, Zouma. Yeah, man. You damn big bird, you. You motherfucker.
You know what seems to be funny? Is that when people reaching out to help, we want to kick the help in the back. Now we have a guy from Guyana who is speaking about Jaden. And someone is writing that he's not Jamaican. Why am I not Jamaica business? Now, you don't have to be a Jamaican to have a heart or to have love for kids. Just the same way I was not a Guyanese when I go to Guyana and I speak up in Guyanese business. I wasn't a Guyanese, but at the same time I have love for kids. So the fact that I have love for kids, I will step out for kids. You understand? Now, Jaden Smith, who is missing going on 3 weeks or more, and you, who is saying what you said, did you put out an article on your page looking for this little boy? Or are you just walking around the platform looking for somebody who you think you can gun down because they don't come from Jamaica? No founder now try seek to find the problem or to find the murderer when it comes to the little boy. Because, truth be told, Jaden is not no longer on this side. Whether you want to believe it or not. Well, I give you a couple more days to figure it out. And see if I'm lying. Because I'm not come here to come tell life in no views. But Jaden is no longer on this side. So I don't even figure out who are the murderer now. Why they murdered the little boy. I don't even put them behind bars. I don't need to do some time. You understand? I'm not the one that's going to come and say, the whole family need to go to jail and the whole family must know what I go on. Outer road can't get rid of him. In him yard can't get rid of him. Me leave that up to God. And that's why I'm not come out and talk foolish. Because if I God tell me, say, do that. Me nah do it. But Jaden is no longer on this side. So you're not searching for a living person. You're searching for a body at this point. One Kevin says so. Like it or not. Do you think that Jaden is still alive? Tell me why you think Jaden is still alive. Okay, I thought so. Jaden is not alive. Sad story. Didn't want to get to the part where at this me I gotta come out and say, but truth are the truth. The little boy is no longer alive. Just need to find a person who is responsible and put them in jail. That's all I'm saying.
Well, it look like Elephant Man out here gassing up the broadhead boy, telling the broadhead boy how him gonna be one of the biggest streamer in Jamaica, how them go take down Kaysinat.
What? We are going to Kaysinat them and them people, them no more than we.
Also, Elephant Man gave something to one of the famous Chichi Man TikTokers, and this doesn't make no sense to me because normally me know say only a man give a woman a ring, and when a man give a woman a ring is always a token of their love. What is wrong with the Elephant Man? You need to get your senses. Big Chichi Man. That boy is known as one of the biggest Chichi Man on TikTok.
I did put the brush in the man's body hole. The Bible is right here.
Why would Elephant Man wanna give that boy a ring? Look.
She did put it. She did want to put the makeup brush in there.
Red eye boy, you have a big red eye issue. Elephant Man, you need to come to your senses too. Why would you give a boy a ring? You need to run with some boy and make some boy know say boy you're too red eye. Stop see man things and red eye feet boy you they give man pinky ring. What is wrong with you no boy?
Me I take everything to God in prayer. Me no want nobody gun for fire. Me got talent to see free from me heart. Me I sing deeply. Lord, me I beg you to break out song that I one day we I go hit with the big bang. Them me want it to loud like when I you ever trumpet. I slam in on them ears so them can't ignore me. Me I beg you to break out song there. And it feel loud like when I you ever trumpet.
Pull up. Say we chopping the line, dog. Feed the money, man. Hunting the food, bro. We never get bummy. Client a call back my phone. Me a study chopper mill in a second. We done it, man. Chopping the line, dog. Feed the money, man. Hunting the food, bro. We never get bummy. Client a call back my phone. Me a study chopper mill in a second. We done it. Me left my client in a bankruptcy. This a white collar criminal. One a guy trust me. Pull up.
Happy Mother's Day, Mother Day. Wish you happy Mother's Day, Mother Day. Wish you happy Mother's Day, Mother Day. Alright,
yeah man, this good father.
Pull up. Father God put me upstairs, see I look down pan player hater like so. Hello player hater, how you doing? Doing good? Okay, stay where you are. One at time out.
Big and theory, them a live in a dream, them delirious. Make sure say them get it clearly. Crucial on a game you can't play with. Crucial up in the place, watch your screw face. Boy not going like your bad. Jah bless me going out and me coming in. Yes, I got to give thanks and praise to the King. Him bet me they are chanting on this big bad rhythm. Some a burn dirty life and me heal up the King. Pick up the Rasta man the hill planting. We plant the cassava, cocoa and ting. Some me burn down the bridges and burn them barriers. In a Jamaica we got the most warriors. Cause when we cry, yeah, we feel the pain. And when I smile, I know God is around.
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who I get it, coulda walk or run. Zuma the blood a fi go sharp and brown.